Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. Learning English is a dream for many people. Some people start with excitement. Some people start with fear. English feels easy at first. Then suddenly, it feels difficult. Today's video is made to remove that fear. This video is slow. This video is gentle. This video is for practice, not pressure. We will listen. We will speak. We will grow together. Every day, life moves forward. Time never stops. People wake up with different thoughts. Some thoughts are positive. Some thoughts are heavy. Language becomes part of life slowly. English does not enter the mind in one day. I learned that patience is important. We learn better when we feel relaxed. The day begins quietly. The world feels fresh. People take a moment to breathe. The body wakes up. The mind follows slowly. I like to start the day without rushing. You can feel the difference when things are slow. When the mind is calm, learning becomes easy. During the day, people do many small things. Work happens. Study happens. Rest happens. We move from one task to another. Sometimes energy feels high. Sometimes energy feels low. I try to accept both moments. Life is not the same every day. Many learners think grammar is everything. But communication is more important. People understand feelings, not perfect sentences. I speak with simple words. You can do the same. English does not need to sound fancy. English needs to sound real. Now, let's practice together. Please repeat slowly. We are learning English with patience. You are allowed to make mistakes. I am speaking more confidently now. English improves with daily practice. Progress feels slow, but it is real. Very good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Fear stops many learners. Fear of mistakes. Fear of judgment. People worry too much. This worry blocks words. I remind myself that mistakes are teachers. You grow when you speak, not when you stay silent. Let's use English in daily life. How was your day? It was fine. What are you doing now? Just practicing English. Why English? Because it connects people. Say the lines again. Slow speaking is strong speaking. Many people compare themselves with others. This habit steals confidence. Everyone has a different journey. Everyone has a different pace. I stopped comparing. Peace came naturally. You do not need to be the best. You only need to continue. 5 minutes matter. 10 minutes matter. Consistency changes everything. Small steps create big results. I choose practice over perfection. You can choose the same. Learning English is a long road, but it is a beautiful road. We learn words. We learn confidence. we learn patience. I believe anyone can speak English. You just need time and kindness to yourself. So, my dear friends, this is the end of today's lesson. Reaching the end means you stayed focused. Staying focused means you truly care. If you listen till now, you are serious about learning. Listening with patience built strong understanding. Understanding slowly turns into confidence. If you spoke even one sentence, you are improving. Speaking once today makes speaking easier tomorrow. Small courage today creates big confidence later. Learning takes time, and time rewards patience. There is no shortcut in real learning. The slow path is often the strongest path. Every small effort matters. Every try brings progress. Even silent practice has value. Even quiet effort has power. Some days feel easy. Some days feel difficult. Easy days give happiness. Difficult days give strength. Both days are part of learning. Both days move you forward. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are signs of growth. Each mistake teaches something new. Each correction makes you better. Learning happens step by step. Growth appears when effort continues. Confidence grows slowly, but it stays strong. True confidence feels quiet and peaceful. It supports you in difficult moments. Real confidence does not disappear quickly. It becomes part of who you are. This kind of confidence comes from practice. Practice turns fear into comfort. English becomes friendly when fear disappears. Comfort brings clarity. Clarity brings smooth speaking. Fear leaves when practice becomes a habit. Habit makes English feel natural. Natural speaking feels relaxed and free. Your voice matters. Your effort matters. Your words carry meaning. Your practice creates change. Your journey is important. Your progress is real. Even slow progress moves forward. Thank you for walking this journey with me. Thank you for trusting Smooth English Talks. Trust builds connection. Connection makes learning easier. Learning together makes the journey lighter. Support makes learning stronger. Shared effort creates shared success. Many people start learning, but few stay consistent. Consistency builds success silently. Results come when patience stays. Patience protects motivation. You are still here. That makes you special. Your presence shows dedication. Staying till the end shows commitment. Commitment creates long-term change. Change begins with daily practice. I will see you again very soon. Until then, speak slowly, practice daily, and believe in yourself.